Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the significance of bank assurance in Indian financial sector. In the last few lectures we were discussing about the open architecture of the bank assurance sector. Bank assurance is the new concept and it is new sector emerged in the Indian financial sector, and it is important from the viewpoint of insurance industry, from banking industry, and for the from the customer's point of view also. So what is the significance and importance of bank assurance we are going to discuss today. Banks over the world have now become conscious that offering value added services such as insurance help to meet clients' expectations. Competition in the area of personal financial services is getting influenced in India, and bank can also maintain customers' loyalty by offering them a complete and exclusive range of products. Therefore, insurance distribution may help the banks to increase the fee based earning to great extent. Fee based marketing may help the banks to cover up most of their operating expenses and also to improve the level of staff's efficiency in the banks. This may also help to bring higher motivational levels in the banking sector in India. In India, the concept of bank assurance is rising speedily, both through commission based agents and joint ventures between banks and insurance companies. Due to the vast network of Indian banks, it can easily reach out to the general public. Banks can put in their efforts in trying to capture the small commission customers that insurance agents tend to avoid. Banks entry in insurance distribution can help to widen bank assurance more rapidly. This may help to popularize insurance as an important financial protection product. Bank insurance helps to lower the distribution cost of the insurers. Purchasing cost of insurance through bank is low. Selling insurance to existing banking customer in the market is cheaper than selling it to a group of unknown customers. So these are the benefits to the banking industry, consumers, and to the insurance company also, and eventually to the financial sector of India also. Banks have a huge retail customer base. The share of individual as a category in bank account is gradually increasing also. Rural and semi-urban banks account constitute close to 60% in terms of number of accounts. This indicating the number of probable lives that could be covered by insurance with the association of the banks. Overstaffing problem can be solved without opting for drastic measures for reducing the staff by adopting the bank assurance method, bank assurance area, bank assurance services. So the extra staff can be engaged in such activities. There is no need to reduce the staff, and the overstaffing problem can be solved with the bank assurance. There are some benefits of bank assurance to banks, insurance companies, and customers also. Bank assurance as a medium makes use of a variety of distribution channels like salaried agents, bank employees, and brokerage firms. Bank assurance is beneficial to the customers in its natural and traditional ways. It provides a variety of products and services at one place where a customer can apply for mortgages, pensions, savings, and insurance products. The customer gains from both sides, banks and insurance companies, as cost get reduced. So bank assurance proves to be a top price for the customers as they get a high quality products at a lower price delivered at their doorsteps. And following are the benefits of bank assurance to banks, insurance companies and customers. So first is from the bank's point of view, what benefits of bank assurance get to the banks. Banks enjoy the following advantages, such as banks has a strong brand name which can help to make a loyal customer base. Then it increases the return on asset by creating fee income through the sale of insurance products. This helps the bank to cover most of their operating expenses and also helps to raise the efficiency level of the staff. The productivity of the employees increases due to the bank assurance, extra training and extra knowledge and extra activities can be done through the staff, and insurance experts also can become the bank staffs also get the knowledge of insurance products and the diversified activities. Banks have extensive experience in marketing to both existing customers and non-customers. They can easily attract more customers by making use of various technologies such as e-banking, statement inserts, direct mail, ATMs, telemarketing, etc. Uh, by providing customers with both the services, banking and insurance, under one roof, they can improve overall customer satisfaction, resulting in higher customer retention levels. Bank can facilitate banks to collect non-fund income also, which can increase the interest income and also profitability of the banks also. Bank can influence on face-to-face contacts and their knowledge about the financial conditions of customers to sell insurance products. Banks have greater knowledge because of the stick up customers from a long period of time, so that bank can design such a insurance product and to sell them. Bank can cross sell insurance products. The concept of cross selling also gives the advantage which will help them to improve the efficiency of the banks, like more interaction with the clients will lead to more overall sales, for example term insurance product with loan, etc. From the insurer's point of view, there are some significance and benefits are there. To the benefits to the insurers are equally convincing. Insurance companies enjoy the following advantages. It has a capacity access to banks huge customer base, which would create a positive motivational influence on the insurance companies. The insurance company can increase their business by taking advantage of the banking distribution channels. It can establish market presence rapidly without the need to build up a network of agents. Banks helps to reduce their dependence on traditional agents by making use of the different channels owned by banks. It can build up innovative financial products more competently by collaborating with their partners and customer database, like customers financial position, spending habits, investment and purchase ability can be used to tailor the products and sell them consequently. Customers have more faith in banks and would willingly take the advice of a banker whom they have been visiting in the past rather than trusting a new insurance agent. As ICICI Prudential Life CEO and Managing Director Shikha Sharma once have said, maximum contribution from alternative distribution channel come from the bank assurance route, followed by corporate agents and then direct marketing. Bank assurance can obtain extra capital from banks to improve their solvency and expand business. By reducing their expenses, insurance companies can serve better to customers by providing them with lower premium rates and better risk coverage through product diversification. Insurers can take advantage of the bank's wide network of branches for the distribution of products. The access of banks branches into the rural areas can be utilized to sell products in those areas also. Thus, teaming up with a strong bank can help the insurance companies to fund their new business and also to develop and improve public confidence in the customers. From the customer's point of view, there are some advantages, benefits. Customers can get the following benefits from bank assurance. It encourages customers of banks to purchase insurance policies and further helps in building better relationship with the bank. The people who are unaware of and who are not in reach of insurance policies can take the advantage of the widely distributed networks and better marketing channels of banks. Innovative and better product ranges can be tailored according to the needs of the customers, which otherwise would not have been possible if banks and insurers worked independently. Bank assurance model assists customers in terms of reduced price, diversified products, quality products in time, and doorstep service. Any new insurance product put on the market through bank assurance channel would be accepted well by the customers. Then easy access for claims, as banks is a regular visiting place for customers. Due to increase in the competition, customer can expect improved premium rates and better quality services from bank assurance as compared to traditional insurance companies. This is also the benefit the customers have. So friends, that much from my side. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.